Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to review this kit over here. It's from Carlinkit and it is a wireless CarPlay or Android Auto adapter. So if you have wired CarPlay, this can make it wireless, which is more convenient because you don't need to plug it in and out while you drive. This is what comes with the kit, a wireless adapter. So this is pretty simple to use. All you got to do is just plug the USB-C to the top part of this adapter and then plug your USB to the CarPlay USB in your car. Once you have your USB plugged in, you can go ahead and put it in this pocket here, and now you don't have to connect your phone anymore manually. It just connects wirelessly. Go ahead and go to Settings and then General and then CarPlay. And then from here, you'll see AutoKit 700, so you want to click that. And then it'll start connecting up here, which is my wife's phone, Elise iPhone, and it's in. So very quick, seamless, don't have to do anything. You just have to set it up initially in the CarPlay screen. Once you do that, we can go ahead and see how it works. So there's a little bit of lag compared to if you use it through the wire, but this is more convenient, right? You don't have to plug it in every time you want to use it. Okay, so we're playing some music now, and I'm gonna go ahead and pause it and see how much delay there is. So there's about a 1 second delay.
Girl, I'm on the way. Oh yeah, you tell me where to ask, babe. Girl, I'm on the way.
So guys, last week I took you all with me on night shift in the ICU when I picked up a shift to help out due to short staffing. Now,
okay, so yeah, there's a little bit of a delay when you're watching videos, so this probably might not be ideal if you want to watch YouTube videos and stuff in the car while you're parked. I would probably just keep it connected to the USB wired setup, but if you just want something to listen to music to for wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, this works more than enough. Alright, so let's go ahead and test how fast it connects to your phone when you turn the car on. Connecting now. Oh, looks like it does it automatically. And we're in. Okay, so all in all, right around 30 seconds from the start of the car as it connects in, and you are ready to use the CarPlay and Android Auto. So overall, this wireless CarPlay adapter I think is well worth it to get if you have wired CarPlay and you want wireless CarPlay for the convenience. I'll leave a link down in the description below for this Carlinkit adapter for wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good morning.